name is Helen Nolan and I'm the co-founder and CEO of a multi-award-winning social enterprise called Spraoi Sport. We are based in Carndonagh, which is in the heart of the Inishowen Peninsula here in County Donegal. We were set up in 2010 when myself and a group of friends got together as we felt there was a real need for a dedicated home for the Carndonagh parent-toddler group. And very soon we started to grow, adding on different activities such as a school of music, arts and crafts in the evening, and then when the summer came, lots of summer camps. Today, we are proud to say that we provide over 60 activities every week to over 700 participants. We have a vibrant after-school club, we have a fantastic digital fabrication laboratory, we have a co-working hub, and we have a charity shop, and we have 2 online shops, one selling clothes from our charity shop and the other personalised gifts that we make ourselves in our Fab Lab. We have a fantastic team here at Spraoi Sport. We have 3 full-time staff and 8 part-time staff, and we also have 7 volunteers who work in our charity shop. We also have a fantastic pool of experienced facilitators and SNAs, probably totaling 60 over the course of a year. So from the beginning, we always asked for a contribution from everybody who was attending here. That is the mainstay of our traded income. We also then added in a charity shop, and we have Shop a Spraoi selling the personalised goods from the Fab Lab. We also obviously get support from different service level agreements with the HSE, we have the Community Services Programme, we have CCSP, the National Childcare Scheme. We also then apply for a lot of funding, from one-off grants. We always say that Spraoi's impact, I suppose, centres around improving mental health, ensuring social inclusion and rural regeneration. So we would have over 40 children with a disability attend here. We give them an opportunity to attend recreational activities in the same way as their peers and make sure that they feel connected to our community here. In terms of rural regeneration, we have set up in 9 different buildings in this town that otherwise would be vacant. So funding of 9.5 million now is going to be coming to Carndonagh over the next hopefully 2 years, and it will see 2 vacant buildings in our town centre just being completely revitalised. Our turnover last year was over 700,000, so that is income that we're bringing into this small rural town here in Carndonagh, and we'd like then to try and reinvest that all as much locally as we can.
My name is Patricia Lee, and I'm the voluntary chairperson of the Board of Management or Board of Trustees of Spraoi Sport here in Carndonagh. Our community is very vibrant and the people in the community are very engaged. They're very engaged in their town, and that's how we get involved as volunteers. We roll our sleeves up, we support services like this. So Spraoi it's a community-based, family-focused social enterprise, and it's been growing year on year, but it's been growing because of the energy and the enthusiasm that the people in the locality bring to it, and the fact that it's meeting their needs. As the community develops further, we respond to the needs that are here, and we look to bring investment into the area. I mean, obviously peripherality is an issue. We are to some extent disconnected from where decisions are made in Dublin. Our infrastructure has been underinvested in. We are hopeful that our rural future and the new policy around rural development is going to look at an investment in that, but certainly peripherality has been an issue, and obviously COVID has been something that we're now recovering from, and we're hoping that there is going to be an investment in that recovery and building our resilience.
Well, COVID-19 had a massive impact. We were a total face-to-face operation, and then on the 12th of March it all stopped. So within a week we had totally pivoted our business model. We brought any classes that we could, we brought them online. Then in partnership with the Inishowen Development Partnership and other charities across the peninsula, we set up the Inishowen Food Bank, and we supported 59 families last year with food parcels every 2 weeks. I think Spraoi Sport is a really great example of how a social enterprise can work really well in a rural town. It takes an awful lot of hard work, and you need an awful lot of support, but it's definitely something that can be done.
We're very excited to see our rural future and that whole rural development policy approach that the Department of Rural and Community Development are taking, and that investment that's going to be put into communities like our own. And I suppose if we were to look at that, we need to look at a more sustainable model of that, so that at the moment our funding is annualised. Some of our funding is very restricted, and so it is about looking at that longer term view and investing in the people that are rolling their sleeves up and sustaining the jobs that are being created by organisations across the community and those in the community and voluntary sector.